Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, should I will talk about Acemagic V1 mini PC with compact 0.33-liter chassis. So friend, Acemagic has announced V1 mini PC with measuring just 3.9 into 3.9 into 1.18 inch, and the V1 mini PC is truly compact indeed. So friend, the system is powered by Intel N150 processor which boasts 4 core and 4 threads, which means performant enough for hefty workload, and the N150 should likely to be more than enough to power through email, web browsing, content consumption, and the like. And interestingly, the V1 does feature active cooling, which is surely welcome, but it may disappoint those expecting the V1 to be fanless system. And the Acemagic V1 support a decent array of ports as well, including dual USB 2.0, dual USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type A, and 1 gigabit LAN port, DisplayPort 1.4, and HDMI 2.0 port, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 4.2 take care of wireless requirement. And the system can accommodate up to 16 GB of DDR4 3200 memory in a single SODI slot, and M.2 2280 slot is present for SSD storage. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.